Welcome back to the Windows Club. Seeing no bootable devices found when you turn on your Windows 11 PC can be worrying. You may see messages such as no bootable devices found, press F1 key to retry boot, press F2 key for setup utility, press F5 key to run onboard diagnostics, or no boot devices available, or no boot device, insert boot disk and press any key. This does not always mean your Windows installation or SSD had failed. There can be other reasons. In this video, I will show you the working methods to troubleshoot the issue. Let's get started. Check the physical connections. If you use a PC that is assembled as per your needs and have multiple storage devices, you need to check if the physical connections of the drivers are intact. Make sure the primary storage device on which Windows 11 is installed is connected securely, without any loose or faulty connections. Ensure the connection is secure so that your PC recognizes the storage device and boots into it automatically. If you have connected an external storage device, temporarily unplug it and reconnect it when you boot into your Windows 11 PC without any issues. Check the boot order in BIOS or UEFI. The next thing you can do is check the boot order, restart the computer and repeatedly press the BIOS or UEFI key as soon as the manufacturer's logo appears. Depending on your PC, this could be F2, F12, delete or escape. The exact key varies by manufacturer, so check the user manual or visit manufacturer's website. Once you are inside BIOS or UEFI, look for a section named boot, boot options, boot priority, boot sequence or something similar. Make sure the drive containing Windows is selected as the primary boot device. Save your changes and restart the computer. Rebuild the Windows boot configuration. A corrupted boot configuration can also prevent Windows from starting. From the Windows recovery environment, open troubleshoot, then advanced options, then command prompt, or access command prompt again using the bootable USB drive and the repair my computer option. Now run these commands in the elevated command prompt window. After running the command successfully, unplug the bootable USB drive and restart your PC. Mark your primary partition active. If you're still unable to boot and are seeing the error, connect the bootable USB drive again and enter repair mode. Then open the command prompt and run these commands to make your primary drive active. Select volume X. Then exit the setup, unplug the bootable USB drive and restart your PC. Run check disk for errors on the boot drive. Next, run the check disk function on the boot drive. Since we cannot boot into Windows to run the check disk command, we need a bootable USB drive. You can create it on another PC. After successfully creating a bootable USB drive, connect it to your PC and boot into it. Select repair your computer in the installation options. Then navigate to the troubleshoot, then advanced options, then command prompt. Then type this command and press enter. Use Startup Repair. Windows includes an automatic repair tool that can attempt to fix common startup problems. From Windows Installation Media, select Repair your computer, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Repair. Windows will scan the installation and attempt to repair problems, preventing the system from booting. And that's how you can fix the no bootable devices found error in Windows 11. I hope this guide helped you get your Windows 11 PC booting again. For more Windows tips, troubleshooting guides, and how-tos, stay tuned to the Windows Club. If you liked this guide, share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.